Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Red Iguana Foil Transfer Gel and Temu Nail Foils. I've got on the Cocoa and Claire Peel Off Base Coat, and I'm going to go in with this Madam Glam, and it's Back to Cali. And we're going to use this because, you know, when you're playing with foils, sometimes they don't stick to every single spot. So I wanted something underneath just in case, you know, there's a little peek through. Or peeky poo. You know, peeky poo. So I'm cleaning up really well before I pop this under the lamp. I am only going to do one coat. I cured it for 60 seconds and there it is on its own. And now we're going in with the Red Iguana Foil Transfer Gel. That's a mouthful. And we're going to do a thin coat of it on the nails. Done all the nails except for this one. I just wanted to show it on one nail. It's just clear, so it's nothing to see here really much, but I still wanted to show. Doing a very, very thin coat here. Trying not to get it on my skin. There we go. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And here is my little piece of foil. I got this in the Temu, so this is some of the, well, it came in like a set with several others, so I just picked one. And I am mushing it down with that little tool that I got. I believe I got that also from Temu. It might have been Shein. I don't know. I've just been buying so much stuff here lately. I don't know where stuff's coming from. So I use that, and I use my own fingernail, the warmth of my finger, and then ta-da! And you can see there's a little bitty bit near the tip that didn't get got. But that's, you know, I'm going to try to hop in, and you can do this, but I don't know that it really helped my situation any. And then we're going to move on to the next nail. But like I said, you can go in and put more of the foil gel down, cure it, and then go back over it again. I just wasn't going to do that because I had that, you know, that backup color already underneath, so I knew that I was, you know, I was going to be okay with it. And that one I missed a bunch on the tip. I am going to try to hop in and get some of that. And a little bit of it took, so it's not near as much open space. Got more of the pattern in there. And we're just going to carry on, continue on, girl. And we're going to do the next nail. Do it the same way. Mush, mush, rub, rub, push, push. And do all the nails that way. And I really love nail foils. I don't play with them near as much as I want to or should. But now that I've got that Cocoa and Claire's Peel Off Gel Coat, you know, gel base coat, I might play with foils a little more often. We'll see. There we go. One more little pinky nail to do. And I really enjoyed this. I love this little print. This kind of like, I guess it's leopard or cheetah. I don't know. Very pretty though. Very, and I like that it had the purpley pink kind of look to it. A little bluish. And, you know, that's kind of like my color arrangement anyway. So there we go. We got them all done. I'm going to top them with the Madam Glam. And this is their No Wipe Top Coat. I'm going to do a very, very thin coat of that over the top of everything. And get it in under the lamp so we can cure. And I will put this under the lamp for 60 seconds. I might not pop up the picture of the lamp, but I did cure it for 60 seconds. Alrighty. So here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.